Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a big question. Softr versus Bubble versus Airtable versus Flutterflow. Which no-code app builder is truly the ultimate choice right now? After testing all four, here's what we found. Softr is incredibly user-friendly. It's perfect for building simple apps, websites, and client portals quickly. If speed and ease of use are your priority, Softr is hard to beat, but it's not the most powerful for complex projects. Bubble is the heavyweight here. It's extremely flexible and lets you create almost any kind of app. The learning curve is steeper, but once you master it, you can build highly customized apps without traditional coding. Airtable is more of a database first tool. It's excellent for organizing data and turning spreadsheets into dynamic apps. It's not flashy, but when combined with integration, Airtable becomes a powerful backend for other no-code tools. Flutterflow focuses on mobile app development. If you want to create apps for iOS and Android with a polished UI, Flutterflow gives you that native app feel while still keeping it no-code. So, which is ultimate? If we're building something quick and lightweight, Softr wins. For complex and fully custom apps, Bubble is the clear choice. For database-driven workflows, Airtable is king. And for mobile-first development, Flutterflow is unbeatable. It really comes down to what you want to build, but Bubble stands out as the most powerful overall. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.